So let's go to the second tool out there that I think we should explore. Another tool out there is called Notebook LM. All right, let's quickly jump into this. Oh, this is another crazy, crazy one, folks. Oh man, you all should make sure you use this one. Very amazing tool, folks. Notebook LM. Okay, let's quickly jump into this. So, recommendation for this typically is this, folks. So, for most of my folks, let's say you have resume you need to review, or you have a resume, you have an interview coming, or you can actually post job requirements into this portal and it will analyze it for you. It will speak like a podcast for you. So let me show you, for example. So let's say I go to, let's say Zip Recruiter, and I say cyber jobs, just an example. So I come here, find a job, cyber job, let's say GRC, cyber job, Zip Recruiter. So what I'm going to do, ladies and gentlemen, is I'll just go ahead, pick a few roles out there that I see, and I would copy the job requirements into this tool. Okay, let me show you guys what I will do. Let me share that job requirement real quick. All right, let me quickly, let's go to this job requirements. Just an example, folks. I just pick a job out there, any role, let's pick one job, any role out there. So all I'm going to do is I'll pick the job, GRC specialist. I'll just pick one job, copy the role, whatever the requirement is, right? Then let's say info specialist here. I'll just copy this requirement real quick. I'll go to the details here. All right, let's stick to this. Then I'll go back to Note LLM real quick. All right, let's go to Note LLM here. Note LLM. So Notebook LLM, we just Google it and it will come up. Always log in with your Google account. All right, let me switch to my other browser so you can see it easily. Notebook LLM. It's a Google product, by the way, so it's very easy to use. So don't stress that part of it. Let's quickly get back there. You'll see it in a bit. Let me present again. All right, so you will come here once you log in. Just easy, just click on Create New Year, and you have option of once you get here, you can add a source. You can paste as a text. In my case, I choose to paste it as a text, and I'll just click on it here, and I'll probably just insert it. Now, once you insert it, you will notice a blue button here that says Generate Conversation. Just click on Generate real quick. Once you generate, what it will do is that this is a role for PepsiCo, for example. It will make it conversational, whereby you can actually listen to what the role is about and it gives you that leverage to really understand that role. Of course, you can do the same thing with your resume. I recommend that. Just upload your resume and throw it in there, and it will give you a very good idea of what you have on your resume. It will analyze it, it will have a conversation with your resume. It is just a brilliant tool. Some of our folks in our community use it already. So it is amazing. Let's give it a second while it's working. Normally it takes about 2 minutes or less to generate. If it's not a lot of information, it will be faster. If it's a ton of information, just give it like 5 minutes or just walk away, come back. It will be ready for you to listen to. And the beautiful thing about this is it's a podcast style. Play it in your car, play it while in the gym, while taking a walk. It's just a good way to summarize any kind of article you have, any kind of documentation you need to summarize real quick. This is a brilliant way to do it. And you guys will hear it in a second. While that guy is running, also, okay, it's ready. Let's just play it real quick. So you can see a lot of our folks have used it before. I love it. So so you can understand this is just amazing, really, really, really good to play around. All right, let's pause that. But we get the gist. Use it to analyze. I can see here, Abdullah has used it a lot to do a lot of things. Um, Akin has used it to trigger conversation. So a lot of people have used it, which is amazing. Which is great, folks. So make sure we leverage those tools. Those are just gold mine of opportunities for us that we can leverage for sure. So take advantage of those tools. There are really, really good tools out there that we can leverage and take advantage of. Okay, let's quickly go to another one real quick. Another good tool out there for some of us, we have probably used this before. Suno AI. Suno AI is one of our favorite tools. For those of us that know, in our community, we have a flagship song we play, which is pretty cool. We love it. It's a Skillweed song. We use Suno AI, believe it or not. So let me quickly share real quick again. You'll see how that works also. It's a very good tool. So if you're thinking of, oh, well, what are the tools out there that people use? Suno AI is one of those great tools out there you can leverage also.